might be wondering why I'm showing plants on the channel. Plants offer many benefits, especially for children with special needs. What I'm showing now are the plants in my home, but in the school where I worked earlier and in the school where I'm currently working, I have been training children in horticulture as a vocational skill. Generally, vocational training is introduced to children above the age of 15 or 18. But in reality, children can be introduced to horticulture from the age of 8, especially simple skills such as planting, watering. These kind of skill we can introduce even at the age of 7 or 8. Since it is a school setup, we usually teach it in a more structured way to older children. I'm showing these plants now to talk about what horticulture is, how it can be developed as a skill for children with special needs, and what benefit children gain through it. Welcome to my YouTube channel, 5 Pillars, Autism and Special Needs Support. My name is Farzana. I am an RCI certified special educator. I have more than 18 years of experience working with children with different types of disabilities in one-on-one session, school setting, inclusive environment, remedial session, vocational training. Today I am talking about how horticulture becomes a meaningful life skill for children with special needs. Horticulture is not just about planting and growing plants. It is a learning process. We can teach the names of each plant. Like this is tulsi, this is basil, this is curry leaves, this is rose. So different names can be introduced to them. Children's vocabulary increases, listening skill improves, naming skill develops, and the confidence also improves. I would like to share an experience with you as a special educator. While I was training older children in horticulture as a vocational skill, there was one child with autism spectrum disorder who never used to enter the garden. Whenever he saw the garden or soil, he would cry a lot and become very distressed. In the beginning, I allowed him to watch the gardening activities from a distance. He stood there and observed. After some time, what I did is I slowly introduced the next step. That is, I took a small pot and gently asked him to just touch the soil. Initially, he would cry, touch the soil quickly and immediately pull his hand back. We continued this for some days, giving daily and gentle exposure. Slowly, he started touching the soil for a few seconds. Then he began holding it longer gradually. He became comfortable over time, and then he started entering the garden on his own, started watering plants. He started following instruction, imitate others, and helping us in cleaning and setting the garden. For children with ASD, sensory issues should not be avoided completely. Avoidance increases fear. Gradual exposure, patience, and consistency reduce sensory difficulties. Whether it is touching soil, different texture, smell, or sound, exposure is the key to progress. Sensory challenges are not reduced by avoidance, but by gentle and repeated exposure. The other benefits of horticulture or simple gardening at home are that the children's observational skill develops. So they will see how the plants are growing, how we can water, where the plants are kept, where some plants should be kept where they get enough sunlight, some plants should be kept where there is shade. So the observational skill also increases with this. Another important thing is that the feeling of ownership, that this is my responsibility or this is my plant. Children see the plant growing, the patience increases, focus improves, and self-confidence develops. All these skills can later be transferred to vocational training. sales programs, children who can learn to take care of plants by name and also to handle it. Uh, this can be converted into a sales program also. Through horticulture, children also develop skills such as following instructions. Say, for example, when we teach children that use only one mug of water for this plant, or this is a big pot, it needs more water, place it here, water in the morning, water in the evening, watering the plants in the evening. All these things helps them to follow instruction. Apart from this, aggression and restlessness reduce. Children get body work and they became naturally calm. A sense of purpose that this is my work, and emotional strength grows along with it. For adult children or during adolescence, this skill can grow into garden management, school support roles, nursery work, or sales related skills. Horticulture is not the only option when it comes to vocational skills. There are many other areas. But what I have trained the children is in vocational training is in horticulture, in baking, in cooking, in hospitality, and in hospitality sector. So when we train children, if in any of these areas, one important thing we must understand is that skill cannot be developed in one day or even in 1 month. Skill development often takes months or even years. That is why I always say we do not need to wait until a child turns 18 to start vocational training. If we begin early, by the time the child grow older, they will be able to understand many things better and gradually take one more responsibility. If you like my videos, please like, comment and share. Let me know in the comments what topics you would like to learn about. I'm always happy to share whatever knowledge and experience I have with all of you. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel. Please like, share and subscribe. So let's not wait for the right age. When we start early and support consistently, we give our children a stronger and more confident future.